Another brisk morning here. Lower 20s. We'll get up close to 40, so not too bad. Got a couple days off from the daily. I believe today is Tuesday, December the 20th. So we got the holidays coming up, so I just went ahead and took off the remainder of the week, get a few things done. Got a friend coming today. A lot of you guys know him, Gordon Bright. Been here before, helped me put the tent on the lean-to shed, and actually supplied the tent for that. Thank you again for that, Gordon. But he said he'd come up and help me today. You all know I don't like heights there, so I'm not sure how this is going to go. I need to try to get the tent off of that rickety lean-to as best we can, safe as we can, and then of course start taking it down and hopefully build back here before too much longer. We'll just have to see how things go. But I got a few things to round up before he gets here, so bring along a little bit of that, and we'll show you one thing on the service truck here. You might be able to hear it in the background, and we'll get started. Stay tuned. Well, I thought I'd give you guys a good laugh. You're dealing with minus temperatures and zero and everything else. Here in North Carolina, we're still in the 20s, and we done broke the heater out. But anyway, another good reason for the service truck, one-stop shop. Generators running, heaters in the back. I can take this around behind the barn where we don't have any electricity, and I don't have to drag out a bunch of drop cords. Keep me and Gordon warm today if we need it, and all the tools are on the truck. So thought I'd give you a little shot of that, give you a little laugh before we get started. Should get good anyway if I try to climb up on this lean-to, so definitely stay tuned, guys. Well, we finally got everything around here. The F600 there, ready for throw some of this wood and stuff on. And I don't know the best approach to this. Gordon's on his way, so he should be here in a few minutes. I was kind of wanting to try to work the ladder in here and never really get on top of it, because it's still got some structure to it in different places. It's just really weird how it is. But I think what I'm going to start on right now until he gets here is I'm going to start working on trying to get some of this out of the way where it's falling down, and get these boards out and see if I can get them on the truck. They're all pretty much rotten. I'm just going to cut them up small pieces and put them on the brush pile. So let's see what we can do. What a mess. Wish I could get you some better footage. It's hot. I don't need the heater today, I don't believe. I'm just sweating. Still not 40 degrees yet. But anyway, enough about that. Can't really get up in there because it's so dark. The camera won't pick it up. So that's, what I say, a little over half of it, I think. I'm going to try to get some of this out here cut up, thrown on the truck, get it out of the way, make me another pathway. The hay is just tremendous up there. It's been there for years, but the camera's probably not going to pick it up. It's not, well, maybe. What a mess, though. Wow. I didn't realize it was going to be that much to get that out, or I would have already started on that a long time ago. But, okay. Enough babbling, let's go to work. Well, it's been mostly high speed and no talking, but I'll tell you what, I couldn't do this today without Gordon. Look at this. Look at him up there. He has helped me so much today. We've got all the tin off, all the way over to the barn section. So I didn't take that off because I'm not ready. I got my hay wagon in there with hay on it. I didn't know that we were going to get this far, so that little section will have to come down. But look at what he's done. And he's done that all by himself. I've been a bucket boy today with catching nails and moving wood. He's done everything else. Lifesaver. Well, we'll try this again. Battery went down on the last clip. I think I'm gonna call it good. It's getting late. Tired, I'm sore. Gordon worked himself into oblivion. He's gone for the day. Can't say thank you enough for that. Just amazed that we were able to do that in really pretty much a half a day. I mean, it's like 4:30 and we got started on it about 10:30. So let me get situated here. It's getting kind of dark. The GoPro's acting up, and we'll wrap this one up, call it a little, hopefully a little shorter video if the clips didn't get too long. Tearing down the lean-to. All right, everybody, we're gonna wrap this one up and call it good. I am tired, I'm nasty. I think my lungs are full of old hay dust. It's getting dark and it's getting cold. Amazing progress today. Honestly, thanks to Gordon. I mean, that's it is unreal what he got accomplished today, really. And I say he because he did 90% of it. I mean, I held the bucket for the nails, and we did bounce ideas off one another, but you guys know me, I'm not getting up on those heights and that rickety, you know, lean-to back there. The loader wouldn't crank. I was a little disappointed about that. The batteries have gone down on it. So we kind of had to work around that, scratch our heads and figure it out, but we came up with the best solution, and it got taken down and loaded on the truck, and we're moving on to more projects. So hopefully you enjoyed it. It was a lot of high speed today, I know, short clips here or there. I'm not sure how long the video is even going to be, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. Probably won't get any more footage of the tear down of that last little section there. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. I've got to figure out if I'm going to drape a tarp or build a temporary wall or something, because that opens up the inside of the barn once we get that down. So because that's the end of the house structure. But anyway, hopefully the next video you see concerning the lean-to will be starting to set some poles and going back with it. Got a few more questions to ask from my carpentry teacher about some spans and whatnot, and go from there. So Gordon, thank you again for that. You're an amazing friend, you're an amazing worker, and kept me motivated today, and we got a lot accomplished, so I really appreciate that. And hopefully you guys that know Gordon enjoyed seeing him work today. I know I did. He's definitely an inspiration, and you know, I really appreciate everybody being here and following along the journey with me. I know it's up and down and here or there, but we're getting things accomplished. Not sure when you'll be watching this. I'm sure it's after Christmas, so hopefully everybody had a good Christmas. Maybe before New Year's, so if it is, everybody have a happy New Year's and a safe one. And thank you again for everything you do. We'll see what happens over the next few days. Until next time.